If you're having problems with your Snapchat microphone, in today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix it. The first thing that you need to ensure in this case is if the microphone permissions is enabled in your device. So what you can do is just tap and hold the Snapchat app, head over to this eye icon, and once you're inside, you'll be able to see the option called permissions, and make sure that the microphone option is set to allow. If it is not set to allow, this is the exact issue that you're facing, and once you complete this step, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if this is not the case with you, the other thing that you can try out is try to update the app of Snapchat. So head over to the Play Store, search for Snapchat. If you do see new updates available, make sure you update this application. Also, what you can try out is try to restart your phone to also ensure that any sort of phone glitches that you might be having will also be now fixed. Apart from these few steps, what you can also lastly try out is try to uninstall the Snapchat app from your device and then again re-download it. By following these steps, you'll ensure that you fix the Snapchat microphone problem. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.